This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
With the rear of the vehicle on ramps, use a suitable Allen key or bit to slacken and remove the shock absorber upper mounting nut. Unscrew the lower mounting nut. Carefully remove the upper and lower mounting bolts and withdraw the shock absorber from under the vehicle. Apply a little grease to the mounting bolts, then manoeuvre the shock absorber into position. Then insert the bolts. Fit the new nuts to the mounting bolts, but don't tighten them yet. Measure the distance between the shock absorber bolt centres and load the vehicle by adding weight to the luggage compartment until a distance of approximately 315 mm on van models or 340 mm on multi-space and combi models is obtained between the bolt centres. Now tighten both the lower and upper bolts to the specified torque.